Hey members, it's Caleb from County. It's that time of year again. It's the holiday season for food, fun, and family. This time of year, it's easy to get sidetracked.
We are introducing our Happier Holiday campaign sponsored by Aetna. We are going to be with you throughout this holiday season with tips, reminders, and motivation to keep you on the road to health and wellness. You'd be surprised what large impacts can be made with such small habits.
Over the course of 11 weeks, members participating in this campaign will receive a weekly email containing links to videos and Live 360, which will reflect the theme of the week.
The themes that will be discussed are physical movement, nutrition, hydration, and mindfulness. Make sure you're watching the videos so that your name will be entered into our weekly drawing. Drawings will be picked every Monday.
So consider this our gift to you. The gift of keeping things simple and alleviating any additional stress about your health and wellness. By incorporating the tips provided into your daily life, you can improve your overall well-being and live a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. From our partners at Aetna and all of us at the YMCA of Greater Erie, happier holidays.